If this is your last year of study, you have 6 months. So put a plan together. These June holidays are not your normal holidays. Don't just go home and enjoy as you usually do when it's holidays. Now it's time for you to give yourself an advantage. Remember, you are going to be applying for jobs and you need to secure a job and so forth. And you need to now study, what do employers look for when it comes to my qualification or in general. We know that employers love work experience. So if, let's say, you're studying at TVET, you're doing something practical, whether you're doing mechanics or whether you're doing hairdressing and so forth, when you go home and you've got those companies around you, go and ask to volunteer. That alone is going to give you an advantage. You have now something to write on your CV as work experience. Mind you, I know you're still going to get maybe work experience that comes with your job your school qualification, right? Maybe it's going to be 6 months, it's going to be 3 months, but now just imagine if you go out these holidays, instead of staying at home and doing nothing, and you go and you knock on, whether it's a small company, whether it's a big company, and say, can I volunteer on these holidays? And most likely they're going to say yes. Remember, right now you're not looking for to be paid, most money and so forth. That will come next year. But these 6 months are crucial for you to give yourself an advantage. You're going to get your qualification, which is good. But now just imagine if you've got work experience. The one that you're going to get that is compulsory for your studies, it's fine. But now just imagine if you go home and you approach those companies, you get to volunteer. Now you've got 2 companies that you're going to put in your CV that you've got experience in, and you put those references. Now your CV is beefed up. Now your CV looks different from your other peers who are going to come up with the same qualification. So look for those things. It's time for you to look for those things that are going to advance you, that are going to make you more attractive when it comes to employers.